Hi, my name is Kelly Roberts. I'm a family physician here at UCF Student Health Services. With the whole COVID pandemic, many people's stress level has been way up. So I just wanted to talk to you about a few things you can do to lower your stress level. Number 1, exercise. Exercise has often been called the single best thing you can do for your health, and with good reason. Exercise has been shown to improve many aspects of both physical and mental health. The other things that can help lower your stress level have less scientific evidence, but there are still several small studies supporting them. These include yoga, breathing exercises, meditation or prayer, and pet therapy. Breathing exercises can be done quickly and are simple to learn. It looks something like this. First, find a comfortable place to sit down. Next, you're going to take a big deep breath in over 5 seconds, hold for 5 seconds, breathe out for 5 seconds, and again hold for 5 seconds. So it looks something like this. So that's it. It's that simple. So, mask up, and let's go get some exercise. Yo, dog! Yeah, you! Even you need to wear a mask.